Guys, I just woke up from sleep and really we sleep so good here, you don't feel the tired or anything. It's so nice sleeping here. I will show you the weather how in the morning and what we will eat in breakfast. Wait long guys. Look in the morning. That's where we stay. You see the waterfalls, camel, the horse. People they just starting preparing for breakfast and for lunch, and we will start our trip to going to waterfalls. So stay with me to see all magandang umaga. Hi guys, we are ready now to going, but we will buy the medicine first because my niece she's have toothache, she's feel pain, so we will go to buy the medicine first, and we will go to waterfalls. After we buy the medicine, now we will start our trip. So I will show you everything. I don't know where we will go. I think هجيب شو من هنا. السلام عليكم. اسمح لي نسولك بدنا نطلعوا للشلال منين؟ ندوز من هنا نيت.
هذا قرياش. هضروا على الجيكا سميتو اليمين ياك. نسوقوا هذا فوق على الجيكا.
Okay, I will turn the camera so you can see all the road. السلام عليكم الشريف، عافاك طريق الشلال؟ مشي هكا ندور على اليسار صافي الله يحفظك. And here they have a restaurant like how you see. We have a long trip today. The road is a little bit dirty. Oh my god. I think it's, oh yeah, it's from here. Look guys. Oh my god. I'm really good. Look how it's look from the up, but it's still not finished. We still need to continue. Oh my god talaga. Ay nako. And we missed the road, so that man will show us the road. Oh my god. We will come back again from the start. These places have in the road. Oh my god, that's oh, it's not. People they are going and we follow them. My sister, she's very good, and we're still going. Look at the place here. You can eat, you can do a lot of activity here. That's a traditional jewelry. And this, the homemade. The souvenir. The traditional clothes. Honey, it's a view. No. Everywhere you go, it's have a home hand. And beauty things about the beauty, everything is beautiful and organic. The jewelry, it's from silver. Here it's famous with jewelry. أما دابا صافي عياو.
منين طلعت المرأة ما خرجتش.
وي ساكنة هنا. تقول لي راني غير كارية. بستان. Stone. This decoration from the stone. The fruit. This is one is beautiful. Oh my god, I cannot talaga. My niece, she's afraid about me. The road is a little bit hard, but if you like adventure, that's your place. And they have places you can rest. You can order something to drink, and you can continue. Oh my god, sweating. Everywhere I have a journey. Look at the people where I will zoom a little. You hear the sound of waterfalls. Look at the water. It's coming out. Look. It's dangerous a little, so if you come, just be careful, guys. الله يعينك. هاي يا ربي تخليتنا تصوره. We are between the mountain. My sister Fatima, good. Everywhere have water because it's come out from the waterfalls. Oh my god, look at people where. Oh my god, oh my goodness. Look guys, sorry now for my voice because I'm really good, and we still continue. It's not finished yet. We still have 7 waterfalls. We arrived finally. Sorry now guys. Look, but if you want to go to another waterfalls, because I have 7, you can go where the people that. And you can stay here. We cannot continue because we have kids. So enjoy. Look at the people we are going because it's still in the app if you want to see the other falls.
So that's it guys for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more videos. God bless.